Hello, this is David Peterson. I'm going to give you education on how to change the text in this jigsaw puzzle piece. Select the horizontal type tool, click onto the text, delete the text like so. Select your word from the Excel sheet. Enable everything, which I will send you. Copy. Paste. Make sure the word is fully within the jigsaw puzzle piece. File. Export, save for web, JPEG high, 60, copyright and contact info, internet standard RGB, 3000, 691 kilobytes. So let's just drop that to 50. In fact, we want them around 500 kilobytes, so 500 is good, quality 50, and click save, and then get yourself a new folder, and you need to change this to the correct number. So let's see what number this one is. 102. So 1 BP 102, and then pop your word in there, then get your folder that you're going to save it to and click save. Then click horizontal type tool, click on this, delete. You've got your text box there. Bring up your folder, absurd, copy, you see that's 103. So paste, absurd, make sure it looks central. File. You can do a shortcut here as well, Alt Shift Control and S. 50 medium, JPEG 505, save. So this one was 103, 103, absurd. Desktop. Now select the file that you're going to save it into, hit save, and then repeat again. You'll get used to it. It's very, very straightforward. Thanks very much. See you later. Any questions, hit me up. Bye.